Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are in office of Danube and I'll explain you in this video which projects they are having, how many projects they have launched so far, how does their show apartment looks like and what are the payment plans. So over here, the right hand side, we have this project Times. It's in Silicon Oasis. It does have studios, 1, 2 bedroom apartment, 3 bedroom units as well. On left hand side, we have this project Diamonds in JLT, Jumeirah Lake Towers. Here we have base 102, which is located in Business Bay, and that's very close to the Business Bay metro station. This project has a very good payment plan. I'll talk about that later. And here, this one is recently launched in Sport City, which is inspired by Danube. Now, let me take you upstairs to show you. There's one more project in Forjan. These are the pictures of all the projects which has been launched. And that's the project Sparkles, which is in Forjan, which has current availability for 1 and 2 bedrooms. Let's start with the studio. Here we have a small kitchen as per the studio size. On our left hand side, we have this washroom. And the best part of this studio, which I like, is this is having a convertible option. You can see that you can convert the studio into a 1 bed as well. And there's an option for the clients to choose it, even for 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms. All these studios are going to be fully furnished, even 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms. That's the show unit for their base 102 project, which is in Business Bay. The best part about this project is the JLT and Business Bay is it doesn't have the normal payment plan because these are the prime ones, and here the developer is giving you 60 months post handover payment plan. So the standard payment plan is you pay 20% booking and then 50% during construction and 30% for 30 months post handover. But for Danube, JLT and Business Bay, you will have 60 months to pay that 30% amount. That makes it 0.5% per month, which is rare these days. And you can see the finishes is quite good for this unit. It's all glossy, which many clients prefer these days. For the latest project, they have done some changes, and all the projects, the new ones especially, client have the option to choose a different theme. Let me show you this new show apartment which they recently introduced. Personally, this is my favorite one because this is not that glossy and client has the option to choose this theme in all the recently launched project. The good part about this one is, again, you have the option to convert this living hall into a separate 1 bedroom. Over there, you are having this multi-purpose room which can be used as a bedroom, which will have its own ensuite washroom. And here, the master bedroom, which is having its own ensuite washroom. And that's the shower cabin. I really like this black sanitary. And here we are having the bedroom as well as these fine cupboards. The size is quite decent. And I personally like the finishes. And if I was a client, I would have gone for this layout for sure, as well as these finishes. And let's not forget, Danube is owned by Mr. 1% man, Rizwan Sajan himself.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of Danube office and their show apartments. If I summarize the whole video, so currently they are having locations like Silicon Oasis, Forjan, Business Bay, JLT and Sport City. Payment plan remains same across their project, which is 70% during construction and 30% post handover 30 months, except for 2 projects, which is JLT and Business Bay, where they are giving post handover 60 months. So you will be paying 0.5% per month post handover for the next 60 months, which makes it 5 years. Most of their projects are going to be completed between 3 to 4 year time. So if you talk about base 102, that's 102 floors. So that will be requiring a 40 months completion period. All the units, whatever you have seen, are going to be fully furnished. Either it's studio 1 and 2 bedrooms. So if you're a client who's looking for a project which comes with payment plan, post handover especially, I believe Danube should be one of the options because they are there in the market from quite a long time, almost 30 years of history. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm trying to make my videos not very lengthy so you don't get bored and try to cover most of the parts. To know more information, please get in touch. I'm sure I'll get back to you and help you out taking rational decisions.